Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Cloudflare email security for phishing protection, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Cloudflare website. Log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the email security option in the sidebar menu. Click on Email Security to open the settings page. You will see an overview of the email security features offered. Find the subscription option for email security. Review the different plans available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Click on Choose Plan to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields with your payment details. Review your order before submitting. Once everything looks correct, click on Confirm Purchase. After purchasing, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Email Security Settings page. Configure your domain for email protection by following the prompts. Add the necessary DNS records as instructed. Allow time for the DNS changes to propagate. After propagation, test your email setup to ensure functionality. Monitor your email for phishing attempts. Adjust settings as needed for optimal protection. Stay updated with Cloudflare's resources for ongoing guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.